Hello and welcome to our next instalment in our Making Tax Digital MTD videos, and today I'm going to be talking about the MTD ITSA, so Income Tax for Self-Assessment, and those digital submissions that are being talked about, and just go through what the hell they are. Now, if you need some background information into what MTD ITSA is, just check out our other video. Look out for the yellow titles. That's all for our MTD series. So I'm just going to leap on to what these quarterly submissions and the end of year submissions looks like for you now. So what follows is correct as of today, 15th of September 2022, and things can easily change with HMRC. So if you think shifting sands, and you've just about got it. So it's correct as of today, and if we hear of anything to the contrary, we will update you. So for now, let's just go through what that quarterly submission looks like. Okay, it's going to be a submission of your income, expenditure, and the resulting profit or loss, and it needs to go to HMRC every quarter from the 2024 to 2025 tax year onwards. Okay, so what are those quarterly deadlines? Super simple. Quarter 1, April to June of the tax year. It's got to be submitted by the 5th of August of the tax year. Quarter 2, July to September of the tax year, submitted by the 5th of November of the tax year. So quarter 3 is October through to December of the tax year, submit by the 5th of February. And then quarter 4, yep, you've guessed it, last 3 months of the year, tax year, January to March, and you've got to submit that by the 5th of May. Okay, so that's the quarterly. What about the end of year submission? What is it? It is basically a final submission, making any adjustments to finalise your tax position. And the deadline for that? Well, it looks like at the moment they're going to be using the normal self-assessment tax return deadline of the 31st of January after the end of the tax year. So if we look at the 2024-2025 tax year, you're going to be looking at 31st of January 2026. Now, it's a bit crazy because it sounds like we're talking about dates that are way into the future, but this is going to come around so quickly. Now, I want to pick up on that word digital or digitally, but submitting those quarterly returns and the final returns submitted digitally. Okay, digitally means that the submission of your income and expense and profit and loss must be sent to HMRC using digital means, i.e., accounting software, digital accounting software. It means no paper. And it means no logging into your government gateway account and filling in an online form. So for you as a sole trader, what does this mean? Dead simple. No more waiting until the last minute to file your tax return, and no more handing someone like me, a bag of receipts 2 days before the deadline and saying, there you go, there's my tax return. It does mean you're going to have to keep up-to-date records to make sure you can file the quarterly submission, and it does mean you've got to be using some sort of digital accounting software. If you're really not sure what all of this means, why don't you just drop us a line to find out more? My name is Laura McCarthy. I'm from Now Accounting Services. Thank you for watching.